This is the expected behavior. If I can just make this a little bit softer. So the key is in the ignition now. If I pull the key out of the ignition, the unit will power off, go into the first standby mode. Okay, the key is out of the ignition. If I put the key in the ignition and now the key is not cranking the engine, and if I just turn it until there's a contact, I can now turn the key back to its initial position. The unit wonderfully powers on and continues playing where it was. We can repeat that. Key out. And immediately key back in. And the song plays. But now with the key in, we'll crank the engine and see what happens. Okay, not what we expected. The engine is running, but the unit does the long reboot. Which is a shame, because it only lost power for a few seconds. There we are, welcome. Now the question is, will it play the same song? Of course, this wait should not be that long because the unit didn't go into standby. So obviously something confused it very much when the car was cranked. Okay, everything is on, powered on. This is a bad sign. Source will put me to radio. So it doesn't remember what played, and if I go to the last source, which was the SD card, it'll play something random. And again, an audiobook. This is what needs to get fixed. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.